Welcome to EziLine Software House. More than ever before, software defines how we experience the world. Businesses in every industry are seeking technology-driven innovation. They're investing heavily to build expertise in modern software development, digital transformation and multi-cloud operation. Now this global village runs on technology-oriented solutions.
EziLine is playing a huge role in export of IT industry since 2007.
We give our customers the agility to create new software faster than ever, and the platform to run at scale on any class. With this, they're building new products, inventing new business models in growing era.
I support both day-to-day and long-term operation of EziLine. After having the successful exposure in foreign market, we are launching our chain of IT network around the globe.
Nearly all of our customers use multiple services today with EziLine Software House. We enable them to have a common substrate to run and operate any applied workload. We were across all the major public and private businessman platforms over the years.
I am Ismail Shah, CEO of EziLine Software House. EziLine has been a place for young people to showcase their talent.
To run continuous deployment, integration and development, you need tools to improve developer and operator productivity. Above that, you need a process that enables software development. Here at EziLine we use agile software development,
where we work on some of the latest methodologies for best productivity.
We use one of the best cloud platform for digital transformations to keep the technology and process smooth and hassle-free. We've been at the forefront of agile software development, working with some of the largest technology companies today on building out their development process.
Working with EziLine from past 1 year, EziLine is my main mentor where I can learn, earn and grow.
Not only a software company but home to innovation, where we 1 hour spends like an innovation chapter. Due to its good industrial reputation, we have most highest reviews on web and different evaluation platforms.
We hire 100+ interns per year. As a manager, we treat them like our staff members with the great care, and we follow the agile methodology.
EziLine internship program is the one of most popular technology hiring system, where interns every hour counts with their public profile system. New generation have more passion to transform future business platforms. Due to this, we supported launch of huge startups in our industry.
I'm working with EziLine from 1 year, and I really feel that it's very motivating and good institute for the beginners and freshers.
As we know, our staff most of the time spent here at our house. We're providing a number of recreational activities to improve mind power and health. EziLine uses their own built smart CRM, where our clients, interns, staff, managers, sales and HR supports every project professionally and quickly. Due to our powerful CRM, we also deployed in various IT companies to automate their office daily workload. We believe to make everything transparent makes business models successful. Our growth is driven by a powerful platform and accelerated by strategic service. This combination makes things simple and smarter. Very soon we will rise with more unique technology platforms.